Welcome to the Cisco Data Center Anywhere demo story. My name is Carlos Campos, and I'm one of the technical solutions architect within the global data center sales organization. In today's session, which will be split up in 3 different chapters, we will cover different business outcomes and how Cisco Data Center Anywhere architecture can help you and your business making the most out of it. Let's get started then. We live in an IT-hungry world. Just think about it for a second. We interact with 6 applications in average every day of our lives, and up to 30 apps each month. I now turn lights on and off with my cell phone, and I can download music and movies with a single click. Entire companies were created by producing technology and applications, and us, as users and consumers, are getting used to having things faster, simpler, and always on. Time is money, and when I have to wait for something to happen, I usually look into other options to provide the same outcome. In today's instant world, just imagine yourself in the middle of the worst traffic jam and with 100 degrees. Your son is in the back seat of your car and he's going crazy, and he starts screaming because he wants to listen to his favorite song. You only have a tape recorder, so no Spotify nor Apple Music, and such song is the 6th song on that tape. He would jump straight out of the window before he has to wait for 5 entire songs to play so that he can finally listen to his favorite song, right? We're way less patient as both technology consumers and with life in general. If something breaks, people now buy brand new things, and if things don't work or if a company providing a service I use has an outage while I need that service, I might definitely look for another option to fulfill my needs. So now, if we look at it on the other side, we as IT admins and leads have a huge challenge since we need to differentiate through new applications and technology services as fast as possible, simplifying not only the user and administrator experience, but also their operations and minimizing any potential disruption to the services we provide. So we need to provide performance IT anywhere our business needs it, no matter if that means on-premises, on the cloud, virtual, physical, etc. In the end, IT location should be a business decision and not a technology limitation. We should be able to provide it fast, simpler, and reliable in a consistent manner anywhere. We as Cisco want to make sure that you can connect users to applications anywhere they may be, running on reliable infrastructure that is provisioned as fast as possible in a consistent yet secure way. So, no matter in which cloud or environment you run on, we want to make sure your IT services have faster time to market and minimize downtime. The objective of this session is to show you how Cisco can help through demos and use cases. We believe that regardless of the different roles in any organization, needs are very similar. If you're a CXO or application developer and you're trying to transform your business by innovating through new apps and services, you need faster time to market for such apps. And these may be running on any cloud or any site, even without Cisco hardware. We can help you delivering those applications and services faster through applications like Cloud Center. Then, once those applications are up and running, you need to ensure application availability and performance. Therefore, solutions like App Dynamics can help you reducing downtime by monitoring those apps on any cloud or hardware, as we will cover today. If you belong to the infrastructure team, which may include the cloud, you still have to provision and operate network, compute, storage, and backup services. We will cover how to provide faster infrastructure services and enable artificial intelligence and machine learning powered proactive operations through solutions like Intersight and ACI, which can span across multiple hardware, software, and even cloud vendors. Last, if you belong to the SecOps team, you want to make sure that you define a security policy that is right for your business anywhere, enabling zero trust microsegmentation and minimizing threats as they emerge. We will learn how Tetration can help you discover, define, and enforce policy automatically, and then integrate to a central dashboard called SecureX, which allows you to detect and resolve threats as soon as they emerge, leveraging Cisco security and its intelligence. So this means that by the end of this session, no matter which persona you may be related to, you will hopefully learn about some tools that can help you providing faster time to market for your own corresponding area of interest while minimizing downtime. In the end, the data center is no longer a large tier 4 building with a lot of servers and storage. It lives on the edge, on the cloud, on containers, or even on non-Cisco gear. So we want to make sure that through Cisco hardware, software, or both, you can achieve those business outcomes consistently. We will be enable agile, proactive, and secure infrastructure with a mixture of insights and actions. The more telemetry and insights we can extract from your infrastructure, the better analytics we can provide to you. Then, based on those insights, we could take further automated action with some of the tools I will show you today. That is the objective of Cisco Data Center Anywhere automation. Not only to deploy things faster, but also to minimize downtime and optimize operations by taking an artificial intelligence-powered action approach based on those insights anywhere. All this needs to be working 24/7. So, having a reliable and highly performant infrastructure where you can extract this telemetry from and execute automation upon is extremely important. Let's then start our first enabler for faster time to market: agility. Some reports in the market indicate that 40% of the Fortune 500 list will disappear in the next 10 years. What will prevent your company from being part of this list? Innovation. Therefore, several CIOs' mission is to deliver differentiation through new digital services and applications before their competitors do. It's either innovate or die in today's world. With this in mind, applications are the new currency. Just as I said at the beginning of the presentation, we are increasing our expectations and hunger for new digital services and applications. And many of us are even willing to pay more for a product or service if it improves my experience. Just think about smart light bulbs, for example. I could get a regular light bulb for $1, but having the experience of turning the lights of my house on and off, or even changing the color of them, may be the perfect excuse for me to spend $50 on a single bulb. That means I am potentially willing to spend 50 times more on a light bulb just because I have an application that improves my experience. So, when talking about faster time to innovation, we need to focus on driving agility twofold. One, for applications, and two, for infrastructure services where those applications will be running on top of. Let's start by enabling agility for application delivery.